Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix horn on Nissan Titan, easy method. Start by locating the fuse box and checking the horn fuse, then test the horn relay by swapping with a known good relay, and finally inspect the horn wiring at the bumper connector for corrosion or loose terminals so you know which part needs repair. To access the horn, open the hood and remove any splash shields or access panels so you have room to work. Unbolt the horn carefully and check the bracket and mounting holes for rust or damage. While one person presses the steering wheel horn button, use a multimeter or test light to verify there is battery power and a clean ground at the horn connector. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof containers for my shop lunches and they save time and cleanup, which is a lifesaver when working on truck repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the horn itself is dead, swap it with a matching replacement and tighten the mounting bolt to prevent vibration noise. Cut back corroded wiring and attach new crimp terminals, then heat shrink each connection to protect against moisture. Finally, reinstall a good relay and fuse, reconnect the battery, and test the horn to confirm a reliable, loud sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.